Hey guys, my name is Nutty and welcome back to another tech video. Today we're gonna unbox and review this drawing pad called the Huion HS64. So let's stop talking and let's jump right into the video. Here we go! And here's the box. There you go. This is the Huion HS64. Yeah, here's the box. It's beautiful. Also, you can buy this as an add-on, I believe. A drawing glove. Because why not? Here's the box. The Huion HS64. There you go. You guys, make your inspiration reality. There you go. That's an awesome box. Top say Huion. Yeah, this one. You guys can read it. Create more, create different. That's a great message. There you go. HS64. On the box, there's a QR code. You guys can scan it or just check it out. There you go. And here's the specs. The specs. Let me read to you guys. The dimension is 200 length. 200 length, 166, and 8 millimeter. I don't know, sorry. Active area is 160 times 102 sorry. Pressure sensitivity. This is important. The pressure sensitivity is 8,192 levels. This is actually strong. Way better than the Huion 420 because that thing is so cheap, but it's doable. The pen resolution is 5080 LPI. The accuracy is average around 0.3 millimeter. Yeah, millimeter. Millimeter. There you go. Oh, sorry, I accidentally. Reading height 10 I forgot. Is it millimeter? Sorry. Press keys. There's 4 customized press keys, so you can customize the macros. The interface type is micro USB, which is a banger. The weight is 260 gram, and OS support on Windows 10, I believe, or Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.12 or later. Okay, there you go. And here's the, you guys can read it. There you go. We're done talking about that. Here's the box. You guys can see this box. Let's get my unboxing knife. Here we are. Beautiful unboxing knife. There we go. There we go. Knife is awesome. There you go. Here's the box. Get ready for the reveal. Ooh. There we go. Nothing here. Get this thing out of my way. Okay, we have the card say thank you, Huion. You guys probably can see this. Card say thank you for choosing Huion. Sorry. So there's a warranty card. Typical. And here's the drawing pad. Let's lift it up. Look at that. Hold up. Put the plastic out of my way. Hold up. Give me a minute. There we go. Here's the drawing pad. There you go. Here's the button. You guys can. There you go. Huion. Okay. There you go. Let me turn off the flashlight. There you go. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna turn back. Turn it back on. There you go. There you go. Here's the button. Let's check what you have. So this pen is very special. This pen can do, the 8,000 pressure pen pressure. Hold up. Let me show you guys an example. Sorry, let me focus. There you go. Let me put here. There's the drawing pad, the pen, the cable, which is a USB to micro USB. If you guys can see this, micro USB. So it's USB Type A to to micro USB. Okay. And there's a lot of pen nips and pen tool. The thing is what? Oh, there you go. This thing is micro USB. You guys can see this micro USB port. If you guys can see, sorry, I jittering. There you go. Micro USB to plug it in at the port. There you go. Oh, I didn't see this. You guys can check it out. Check the pen. There you go. Here's the pen, and there's something curved and say Huion. The Huion, I don't know. And cool thing, he comes with a converter? No, adapter. Okay, let me check the adapter. Okay, you can plug the HS64 to your computer, but if you don't have a computer, you can plug this to your phone. So, well, yeah, both of them are USB to this for USB to USB Type C, and this is USB to micro USB. Let me focus again. USB to USB Type C. There you go. It's basically like this, right? This usually go to your computer, but since you don't have the computer, you can plug this guy in like so, and there you go, just like that. Plug it to your plug into your phone, and there we go. And that's basically it. I mean, there's a manual, but who's gonna read that? There we go. And that's basically it. There's nothing. So here's what you get in the box. So I'm gonna do some testing. So I'm gonna cut to the video of me using a drawing app. So drawing app on my phone. So let's freaking go. Let's go. So here's the drawing pad. You guys can see this, and here's the phone. So we're gonna plug this drawing pad to the phone, and let's check it out. Is it gonna connect or not? So first thing, you have to connect the micro USB to the port. If you guys can see this, to the port. There you go, micro USB. You guys can see this. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna plug this thing in, just like that. There you go. And usually it comes with a USB A, but the box comes with a converter. You guys can see this, USB A to USB Type C. So let's plug this thing here. Let you guys focus. There you go. There we go. And this phone has USB Type C. So let's connect this, shall we? There we go. Let's connect this. There you go. It's connected. I should give it power. Or should I? Oh wait. I remember. You need to turn on. guys are new here, a new audience, hey, consider subscribing. I'm new to this YouTube thing, and in the near future I will do better. I will do better. Promise. I promise. And don't forget, my name is Pauls, and don't forget. Bye.